This is the boomerang bird from Angry Birds. Oh Jesus, guys, watch this, guys. Oh yeah. This is goldfish.
Almost as old as Grammy.
This is a tarantula. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Focus. See that thing? Then there's this really cool thing down here, guys. If you guys can see, that's a real thing. Hey. Anyways, this is what it's called. Pause the video and see right here. Well, that's his name, but
Ansel. From Mexico.
they live in like ponds. Oh yeah, if you guys want to know where we are,
Like a really bad videographer there.
we're at a nature center in Massachusetts.
Say bye to Sam, the toupee neck.
Yeah, I already showed them.
Bye, Sam. Alright,
What?
here's your thing.
Hi, Sam. Anyways, let me show you guys.
Huh? Can we stop with the video?
No, I'm not done.
I am.
Anyways, guys,
I don't like the way you're acting, really.
birds. That's fake. Those are all real.
Right when we get back, we go straight to the pool. We go straight to the
Yeah,
pool.
we'll figure it out.
Turtles. Okay. One of them flipped over.
What?
The turtle flipped over.
He flipped over. Oh my god.
I don't know if you can see, guys, but the turtle flipped over.
There's like no water in there.
Yeah, remember they were draining it? I think he flipped over when they took all the water out. Flip him back over. Oh, poor thing. I think he was stuck.
Maybe.
Anyways, guys, that's our adventure at Nature Center. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Video.